As an NRI, making investments during short visits to India is a big task. Due to time constraints, quick decisions are often necessary. However, these decisions can have long-term implications, so it is crucial to align them with your financial goals. Instead of making investment decisions based on general opinions from relatives and friends in India, it is preferable to hire a financial planner who can provide you with a complete and comprehensive financial plan. Hiring an NRI financial advisor can help navigate the challenges and ensure your investment are well planned. In this video, we will be discussing what are the key factors that you should look for before choosing your financial planner. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. As an NRI, you need to select an experienced financial planner who will be able to understand the needs and constraints of NRI customers in a better way than the ones who have no experience in handling NRI clients. So let us look at the 12 factors to consider for NRIs before choosing a financial planner in India. First, exchange rate risk management for NRIs. It is crucial for your financial planner to grasp how currency fluctuation impact NRI investments. They should clearly explain how adverse currency movements can affect investment values, especially when the Indian currency depreciates against the NRI's earnings currency. Seasoned NRI financial advisor understand these nuances and can suggest hedging strategies to mitigate exchange rate risk. Next, sector and scheme restrictions for NRIs. Not all investment avenues in India are open to NRIs due to regulatory constraints. For instance, many Indian mutual funds do not accept investment from NRI based in US or Canada. Consulting an Indian financial advisor who primarily serves residents Indians may not offer comprehensive guidance on these restrictions. Next, optimal investment diversification for NRIs. The ideal portfolio mix for NRIs should include both international stocks and Indian stocks and Indian bonds. A knowledgeable advisor should be well versed in global investment opportunities as well as Indian market to guide NRIs effectively. Seeking advice from a specialized financial planner for NRIs in India can help align investments with your financial goals. Next, tax implication and investment decision for NRIs. Understanding the tax implication of investments in India is crucial for NRIs. Financial assets like stocks are subject to securities transaction tax (STT) and capital gains tax impacting overall returns. Double taxation treaties can further complicate tax matters. It is essential to ensure your financial planner is knowledgeable about these tax implications. For further clarity, you can read our blog post, NRI's Perfect Guide for Income Tax Planning. Next, investment product awareness for NRIs. A proficient financial planner should have a deep understanding of investment schemes available to NRIs and PIOs. With India's robust economic growth and attractive interest rates, NRIs are keen on Indian financial assets for higher returns. This knowledge is vital for effective financial planning for NRIs in India. Implementing a systematic investment approach for NRIs. Choosing the right financial planner ensures a systematic investment process tailored to NRI clients' needs. This approach enhances the chances of making informed investment decisions aligned with financial goals. Collaborating with a qualified financial planner can lead to better investment outcomes for NRIs. Next, tailored requirement analysis for NRIs. Your financial planner should conduct a thorough analysis of your investment horizon based on the goals. They should create a clear investment policy statement outlining your goals, investment horizon and risk tolerance for both India and overseas investments. Offering different investment options based on repatriable and non-repatriable needs is crucial for effective NRI financial planning. Next, understanding macroeconomic risk. A competent financial planner should grasp the macroeconomic risk specific to India, such as fluctuation in oil prices impacting currency values and political and economic instability affecting physical and current deficits. This underscores the importance of seeking guidance from an experienced NRI financial advisor who can navigate these risks effectively. Next, retirement planning for NRIs. Your financial planner must assist in crafting a personalized retirement plan tailored to your risk profile, asset allocation, investment selection, cash flow management, and regular portfolio reviews. Choosing a reliable and accessible NRI financial advisor is essential for long-term retirement planning success. For further clarity, you can read our blog post, 7 basic factors every NRI ought to know about retirement planning. Next, efficient investment execution for NRIs. Your financial advisor should facilitate convenient investment execution methods for NRIs, leveraging technology for seamless wealth management. They should guide on online investment processes and have a comprehensive understanding of transactional aspects to ensure convenient investment experience for NRI clients. Next, accessibility and communication. Effective communication through modern tools like Skype, email, and phone is crucial for NRI investors to stay connected with their financial planner. Easy accessibility ensures real-time updates and resolve any issues promptly, enhancing client satisfaction and trust. Next, online portfolio management. Utilizing fintech tools enables financial planners to provide online portfolio management and regular updates like reports or newsletter to clients. This regular communication helps investors stay informed, rational, and avoid impulsive decisions during market volatility. Building a strong relationship with your financial planner ensures a stable and successful investment journey for NRIs. NRIs specific to a country. NRIs in Gulf countries. They need financial planners who understand their unique needs, including job insecurity, remittance consideration, and retirement plans back in India. People working in Gulf countries often work for 5 or 10 years and then return to India. After returning, the Indian job may not pay as same as it was in abroad. A proper investment plan executed during the working years in Gulf can set off this. NRIs in USA, Canada, and Europe. NRIs in these regions face tax consideration and varied plans regarding returning to India or settling abroad. Financial planners should tailor strategies accordingly. Next, financial planners fee. Consider the fees charged by financial planners, ensuring they are reasonable and transparent. Be cautious of high fees that may erode investment returns. Then, avoiding quacks and mis-selling. Be wary of unqualified individuals posing as NRI financial advisors and pushing high commission products. Verify credential, expertise before engaging the financial planner. Next, importance of choosing the right financial planner. Emphasize the critical impact of selecting the right financial planner, as their guidance can significantly impact wealth accumulation and financial security over time. Next, finding trustworthy financial planners. Seek out reputable and experienced financial planners with a track record of serving NRIs effectively. Verify credentials, expertise, and client testimonials to ensure reliability. Overall, choosing a trustworthy financial planner is crucial for NRIs to safeguard their financial interest and achieve their long-term goals effectively. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.